Namaste everyone. Welcome to the BSc EMC, that is Electronics, Mathematics and Computer Science Techno team at Shishadrapuram Postgrad College. Today, I am going to speak on basic application areas of image processing. Let's understand what is image processing with an analogy. When we are in traffic, if we see green light, we move. If we see red light and we halt and wait for the yellow light to go on. That is, our eyes perceive the color of the light and our brain processes it and decides as to what action has to be taken. This is the basic image processing. Perceive and process. Our eyes are image sensors and our brain is image processor. Fingerprint recognition, face recognition for switching on mobile, biometric attendance are some of the most commonly used applications of image processing. Building a system to process images for a variety of applications is the subject of our study. First of all, we need to obtain an image from camera. Technically, this is known as image acquisition, and the camera is called the image sensor. The picture is called as the image. The image contains information. Extracting the information from the image and processing it further for specific applications is called as image processing. Now let us see some of the applications in the field of image processing. There are multiple applications across multiple sectors. We'll see some of them, some of the most important areas of image processing. The first application area that I'm going to discuss is agriculture. Image processing has seen enormous applications in this sector. The image processing techniques can be used for sorting the fruits, vegetables, grading the fruits and vegetables quality based on the various aspects. In farming field, the crop disease identification based on the history and amount of pesticide to be sprayed and type of pesticide to be used can be evaluated. Image processing is helpful in weed detection and further steps can be taken for elimination of the weeds. Image processing also helps in species identification. The research in the speed of application is going on at a very high intensity. Multiple possibilities can be correlated with image processing applications. The image processing is extensively used in the automobiles field, particularly in critical safety applications. Number plate detection during toll crossing or identifying the vehicle. If the toll is paid online, at crossing of the toll, sensing the number plate, the intelligent image processing algorithms present in the camera allows the vehicle to go ahead without interrupting it. Then the driver assistance systems at parking lot with the help of front and rear view cameras. Lane detection are some of the other applications. Then accident impact detection and accident alert. If two vehicles are dangerously closer in the traffic, image processing system software alerts the driver to maintain safe distance and hence avoid accidents. If at all accident has happened, the software assists to identify as to whose mistake was it. In case ambulance has to be called, it alerts about that also. The records help in insurance process. Lot of scope is there in the automobile field, students, for the projects. Then the next application area is industry. In the industry also, innumerable applications of image processing are there. Quality control applications like inspection and evaluation of defective parts. Even the defect of the micro scale can be detected by intelligent algorithm present in the image processed cameras. Example, defect identification in the clothing industry. Robots play a major role in automated industry. The parts of the automobile are manufactured at the finest accuracy with the help of image processing techniques available in the robotic cameras. Color identification is one of the major applications of image processing. Different colors have different wavelength in the frequency spectrum. Based on their wavelength, the image processing system identifies the colors. Take an example of a milk packaging industry. Change in the color of the milk can be identified. Different truths for packaging can be identified and packed at a faster pace accurately. The machine learning has seen a boom wherein image processing plays an instrumental role. Then coming to the next field, that is medicine, image processing has found remarkable applications in the field of medicine. The techniques of image processing are majorly used for diagnostic purposes. The images of the X-ray, CT scan, MRI scan, etc. can be analyzed by intelligent algorithm present in the image processors that help doctors to diagnose the disease, the possible stage of the disease, and decide upon the further treatment for the ailing patient. The high definition images of the tumors will help analyze the size of the tumor and the stage of the tumor development, the cancer cells detection and analysis. And painless stent installation are some of the very few applications of this particular field. The next field is military applications. Image processing has widespread applications in the field of defense. It is primarily used for defense and security related applications. Image processing techniques are used for surveillance, target detection to alert the defense personnel from the possible threat, target tracking and imaging, keeping track of the target and getting the image of the target to know the target is harmful or not, and further what measures can be taken to avoid the same. The image processing technique helps in the missile guidance and navigation into the unknown territories. During the time of crisis of war, a drone with camera having internet image processing techniques embedded in it is extensively used for instant recovery applications. So these were some of the applications, very few application students of image processing. So we'll come up with much more interesting videos on this topic and the new topics. Empowered by values, empowered by technology at SFGC. Thank you, students.